So guys, I'm here on gold, and I just literally woke up, so let me try to do my analysis really quick. So basically, gold been really bullish, as you can see. This bullishness is crazy. So actually, I want this thing to sell. I've been wanting this thing to sell since, like, from here I wanted to sell, from here I wanted to sell, like every single day I wanted to sell, but every single day gold keep creating new highs which is crazy to me. Okay, so the idea here is pretty simple. Okay, let me go to something like the H1 to see what is popping. I go to the H1, I can see that this thing already turned bearish, right? We have a high that gave us this low, give us this high, drop it, give us a change character, pullback mitigated the high, give us this low, and then eventually a pullback here to give us a new low. So what I'm seeing here is I want this thing, or at least this thing showing me sign to go down. Okay, so I have this, and I have this, and I have this guy mitigated. I think that was like on the 15-minute time frame. There's like a P1 on the 15-minute time frame. Yes, so this guy mitigated, sell, and then from there we have this liquidity, price corrected, it came, it took it, and then eventually it might give us a sell to the downside again. This is again another break of structure. So the plan here is pretty simple. Okay, if price holds this low here, I'm gonna be longing. Okay, I'm gonna go long, I'm gonna buy. Okay, so this is the plan. This low took liquidity, broke structure to the upside, and then left this sort of equal lows here. The price came and took it, and then it mitigated this PY here. Okay, this PY got mitigated. So as this PY got mitigated here, I expected this thing to go long. At least it went long, it created a new high already, but it might still come take this low and give us a long. If that happened, then I expected gold to do something like this, right? If that doesn't happen, it breaks this low, give a small pullback, and then eventually keep selling to the downside. That's pretty much the idea I have right now. You can see that yeah, we even have the POI here, price reacting from. We are almost at TP. Let's go, bro. Too easy, man. I literally spent how much? How long? I literally spent like 30 minutes on the chart. I just hit my 5 hour or my 3 hour, whatever. Okay, so if price takes the high, I expect the price to go even higher. Why is it rejecting the fucking high, bro? Anyway, so first target hit, second target is high, third target. Let me just set TP at this high here. That's like my last TP. So let's see if price will eventually hit the TP or not. TP, baby. We're done. We're done. Easy. As you can see, this thing is going for this high here, which is pretty crazy to me. And if you're asking me, am I still holding it? Yes, I'm still holding it, brother. I'm holding the shit. As you can see here, price is almost at my full TP. It's like 1 hour away my full TP. And if you ask me if I'm still holding it, yep, I'm still holding it. Let me show you real quick. You can see that I'm still holding it, but here I extended my TP for some crazy profit, whatever. But you get the point. If price hit there, I think that would be my full TP, and I haven't partial. Okay, and yeah. So if you guys want to learn the way I trade here, this is how I wake up and I get my position every single day. I pass challenge, I get payout and stuff. If you want to do the same thing, all you have to do is check the link below this video. You'll have access to my website, my Instagram. Just join the mentorship, and I'll teach you from A to Z how to trade the way I do. And if you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you.